I titled this class, Learn Scoping from a Nerd. I'm a veteran technician. I worked for over 15 years in the field with Master ASE since tech school. Looking back at a lot of the training courses that I've attended, there's not a whole lot that is necessarily equipment specific. My goal today is to get you to a level of profitability with a scope. I want you to be able to make money using a scope. We're going to separate into groups. I'm going to put my hands in my pockets, and you're going to use the scope. It's going to be up to you to push the buttons and move the cursors, and hopefully when you get back to the shop on Monday, you'll be able to hook up the scope and start making captures that'll be valuable to you right away.